loves! Welcome to this week's Trendy Talia video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all how I do my own nails at home. Lately I have been adoring the fashion brand LoveShackFancy, and I felt inspired to paint my nails with some of the prints that they use on their clothing pieces. LoveShackFancy is a very whimsical, girly, shabby chic brand, and that's right up my alley. I hope you all enjoy today's video. These were my previous nails that I did myself, and this is how they looked after having them painted for at least 5 days. I'm just going to take off the polish and share with you all my favorite nail polish brand that I love and recommend. Every polish that I'm using in today's video is by Sally Hansen. I especially love the Insta Dry collection. It dries within 60 seconds and it leaves my nails shiny and chic, lasting about 3 to 4 days before its first chip. Taking my electric nail care device where I will be filing, buffing, and shining my nails. I'm not really sure where this product is sold at because it was a Christmas gift from my grandma a couple of years ago, but I love it. It does such a wonderful job at taking care of my nails and making them look like they've been professionally cleaned up. I'll post the Amazon link in the description bar if you are interested in getting one for yourself. Start painting my nails. First I will be starting off with Sally Hansen's Insta Dry nail polish in the shade White on Time. I'm going to be painting my thumbs and ring fingers with this color. You're going to want to apply 2 coats of each polish to each nail. Next, I will be using the shade Lacy Lilac from Sally Hansen's Extreme Wear line on my pinky nails. This is such a beautiful color. The next shade I am using is Pink Blink from the Insta Dry line on my middle fingers. This polish is one of my favorite shades. It's the perfect shade of pink. For my pointer fingers, I am trying out Suntastic from Sally Hansen's Good Kind Pure line, which is a plant-based line. I ended up loving this baby yellow color. It's so pretty. Once my polish dries, which is about 10 minutes, I'm going to start painting on the patterns. Starting first with Pink Blink, I am going to be creating a gingham print on my thumbnails. Next, I am taking the shade Bay Blue from Sally Hansen's Extreme Wear line and doing one line down the middle of my pointer finger nail. Taking that same shade Bay Blue, I'm going to be creating a bow. Out of all of the designs I hand painted myself, this one was the most challenging. I'm not really an artist, but I tried my best. gingham pattern on my thumbs, I'm going to use the shade Mauve Over from Sally Hansen's Extreme Wear line and add 4 little dots. This gives it definition and really completes that gingham look. For the ring fingernails, you're going to want to use an old-fashioned eyeshadow brush that you will no longer use. I'm going to be creating a pastel tie-dye effect using the shades Suntastic, Bay Blue, and Pink Blink. Going back to the middle nail, I am going to be outlining the bow with Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel Polish in the shade Tidal Wave. I'm using a brush from an art kit, but if you have an actual nail art brush that is much thinner, that would work best. Nail art stickers from Target. I'm going to be using a couple of the pink flowers on my pinky nails, as well as a tiny white and pink flower. I love how LoveShackFancy mixes different prints of flowers in their designs. Pointer fingers, I am just going to be using one flower nail sticker in the middle of my nail. There's so much going on with my other 4 nails, I thought I would keep this one simple. And of course, to finish this look, I'm going to top my nails with a top coat using Sally Hansen's Insta Dry Clearly Quick Polish. I did paint my bow nail off camera. I just skipped over in the video because it was still wet from outlining the bow. I love how quick these Insta Dry polishes dry, and they really leave my nails looking professionally done. Just to give you an idea of where my inspiration for each of these patterns came from, here are some of the photos I used for reference on LoveShackFancy's Instagram page. Let me know which nail art design was your favorite that I created. I love them all, but if I had to choose a favorite, I would have to go with the pastel tie-dye. It kind of reminds me of cotton candy. If you would like to see more trendy videos from me, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more DIY nail art from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.